So looking at this, it's not exactly the same size, but that doesn't matter so much. First, I'm going to look at the horizon line of my image. When you're drawing right now, I'm just using an HB pencil, by the way. Try to be as light as possible, because you don't want your lines to show up that much after you're done painting. So there's a slight tilt to my horizon line. And then after that, I'm gonna start around here. I wanna put my barn a little bit closer to the left edge. Once again, simplifying the shapes. Just draw the whole triangle shape. Don't worry too much about the details, because you wanna add the details in when you're painting, using your brush strokes and indicating them with various brush strokes instead of really trying to do every single little detail. Because we're not photocopying machines and we're not cameras, we're artists. There's our own interpretation of the way we see things. So that's my barn. Come down a little bit lower. And when I'm drawing so light, it's very easy for me to erase any mistakes or any guidelines that I have drawn previously, or it won't really damage the paper, because if I press really hard, it's gonna see on here over the masking tape. First, it's gonna be very difficult to erase, and also you're gonna indent the paper, and more pigment are gonna build up in those indentations. Alrighty, so I'm gonna keep sketching for a bit. And I know right here, if you can see, there's a little white tank here. I'm gonna try to sketch that in, just so I am aware of it, and I'll leave it relatively a light value when I paint in the future. Okay, so I don't even feel like actually drawing too much of the doors of the windows, maybe a few indications, but yeah, the position of them are not too important. And then around here, I'm gonna roughly show that there's a little creek or river, and I like that. It guides the viewer's eye in towards the landscape and towards the barn.